Gigabyte was kind enough to send us their motherboard, the AB350M Gaming 3 motherboard. Now this motherboard is suitable for all AM4 processors, the Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, AM4 socket, but this particular one that we'll be taking a look includes an integrated Radeon graphics, so it should give us a nice graphics performance. So that actually directly competes with all of the Coffee Lake processors from Intel. So AMD is giving a big push towards last year and this year. So we'll be checking out the performance. Before then, we'll do a quick unboxing and we'll do a quick time-lapse build as well. So we'll see you later. Alright, so we have the Gigabyte AB350M Gaming 3 motherboard. This motherboard is suitable for all of the AMD Ryzen CPUs, including the latest APU with built-in graphics, the 2400G, the Ryzen 5 2400G. So this is a micro ATX format motherboard. Okay, we'll start off with looking at the DDR4 Dimm slots. There's 4 of them to give you dual channel memory. There's your ATX power connector right here. And then moving on this side, then we have the Sata Ports. There's 4 here and 2 here, so it'll give you a total of 6 Sata Ports for your hard drives. There's a couple of connectors here for your I/O, reset power, and so on, LEDs. System fan, USB 3, USB 2, the TPM, COM ports, audio. And then over here, we'll look at the PCIe slots. There's 2 16 times PCIe slots. There's a full 16 times here, and then it gives you 8 times there. I think you can put some Radeon graphics cards to give you a crossfire. Nice. 1 times PCIe slot there, and then the M.2 for your PCIe SSDs right here. Alright, moving over to this side, then we have more system fans. There's the 8-pin power for your motherboard. There's the socket, that's the AM4 socket, so suitable for all AMD processors, the Ryzen processors. Okay, so look at the I/O. So off on this side we have USB 2, and then we have PS2 and keyboard mouse connector right here. A VGA, so 15-pin VGA right here, and then the DVI, HDMI output there, and we have 4 USB 3.0 and 2 USB 3.1, Gigabit Ethernet, and the array of audio connectors there, line in, speaker out, and microphone. So this is in a micro ATX format, should be suitable for all chassis and cases, nice and compact. We'll be using this to build our test rig, and we'll see how well it performs in terms of performance. In the meantime then, enjoy our time-lapse build, and we'll see you later. Alright, so now we've finished building our test rig, and as you can see, we have 2 sticks of the G-Skill Trident Z DDR4 3200 memory. We've connected a 750 watt power supply. We've also have a Patriot Hellfire M.2 SSD, the PCIe M.2 SSD. We didn't install a graphics card. We wanted to test the performance of the built-in GPU of the Ryzen 5 2400G, and then so that's actually sitting on this motherboard with a Corsair H115i Pro RGB all-in-one cooler. This one fits and suitable for all AMD processors as well as Intel, so we actually mount this in for the AMD. Nice tight fitting, very good. And then we have the 8-pin power connected here as well for the motherboard, and there's the radiator, so we're going to mount some fans, and the test rig is ready to go.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button and leave a comment below. Visit our website and also subscribe to our channel. Until then, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.